Hi
Hey everyone,
my name's Lily.
and I'm Mickey, and this is our dad. Do you know what happened to our dad's hand?
We're gonna open these toys up.
Okay, it's time to open this.
And those are, what are they?
And guys, I'm gonna open my Toy Story. Guys, look at what I got. Toy Story 4.
What's in here?
I got Rampage. I'm gonna open up Rampage.
Rampage.
Yeah.
Whoa.
This is supposed to open.
Mickey, what are you opening?
Toy Story 4.
Toy Story, can we see the cover?
That's the bonus disc.
I don't know if
This
you
is
guys
the
can see,
Blu-ray.
but I got this.
Hold on,
And-
Lily. Hold on, one at a time. Toy
Okay,
Story 4.
this is
This is what I got.
What do you got, Lily?
I don't know her.
this is the feature.
Okay, hold on.
This is the feature Toy Story 4 Blu-ray, and this is the bonus Toy Story 4 Blu-ray, and this is the DVD.
Guess who this
Forky.
is, guys? It's Ducky.
Lily, what toy did you get from your Angry Birds thing?
It's so small.
What is it? Here, let me see. Oh, what's her name?
I don't know.
Wait, let me see.
Right here.
Why can't you give me the scissors? I need it.
Hey, who's got scissors? I'm gonna cut my wristband off, Mickey.
Lily, what'd you get her? What'd you get?
Watch your finger.
Okay.
Don't cut your finger.
I know, we saw it, but what's her name?
I'm
Hey, Mickey.
free.
And Mickey, you opened Playing with Fire a few days ago.
It was funny.
It was funny. It was
Yeah.
a good family
And
movie.
guys, if you watch Playing with Fire, click
There.
the.
Hey, when you do this, don't poke it towards you, okay? Put it to where you poke
And
it
Lily, what are
away
you
from
opening up?
Poke it that way.
I'm waiting for the scissors.
Oh, Ducky from
See how you got
Toy
your hand
Story
there?
4.
You're gonna poke
Guys,
your
look,
hand with
so
Now,
it
careful.
says right here you have to push a button.
You and me, we make a great team. Did I already say that? Man.
Lily, I was gonna use that.
And Daddy got Rampage
movies.
for
Rampage.
Rampage.
Valentine's Day / our anniversary.
Crazy big monkeys.
He's like this.
Ooh, it's yellow,
Yeah.
gold.
No, it was like.
Hold on, it's gold. Let's see the inside. It's gold. Rampage.
Hey guys,
Have
have you seen our
It looks like
video?
orange.
Yeah.
Comment down below.
Orange, yellow.
first video.
Our what video?
Our first video down
How do you think it sounds like?
I don't know. It's a tough one.
A tough one.
It sounds like cards.
Hold on, I need my light.
They don't have.
What's the name of the one Lily got? I forgot her name. It's been a while since I've seen it.
I hope with this Lily.
Lily, what are you doing? You're blinding me. Mickey got Toy Story 4.
Be careful. Okay. When you open something, you need to open it this. Let me see
Here,
it.
here, let me help.
So when you open it, you gotta see where it's easy to open right there. Look.
Lily, don't blind
Okay.
people with that
Right
light.
there. So you poke
Lily, I saw it. I just want to know the name. Is there like a paper with the names?
Serious plastic. Oh, jeez.
We saw it. It's the girl. Isn't she like the
Wait.
teacher or the counselor?
Oh, she's like the new girl in that movie.
This is her name.
Silver?
That's her name in the movie.
Mickey, where's the scissors?
I got him. You guys are scaring me a little bit.
Okay, Mickey, what'd you get?
Okay, I'm just gonna get this. I knew it!
What?
I got red.
Red? The main guy?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got Rampage, Toy Story 4, Red, Silver, and Ducky. Daddy's working on Ducky there. And we know Ducky talks, right? You want me to help with that, babe?
What are you trying to say?
This
That
is
you're
her
a
little
right-handed
hole.
person that can't use the right hand right now?
Left hand.
And so you're using your left hand. Oh,
look at there.
Thank you, pal.
did you say thank you, pal?
No, I said Ducky, pal.
Okay, how do you get Ducky to talk?
Man, I love me some balloons.
Okay, so thank everyone for coming to watch your video.
Bye.
Bye.
Hope you enjoyed our videos.
Hope you enjoyed our video.
That has been better than one
And
of
Playing
my
with Fire is a good movie.
You should go see
Funny,
it.
good family movie. Well, they can't go and see it because it's not in the theaters anymore. It's now on DVD and Blu-ray. So give us the big thumbs up.
got this,
Subscribe
brother.
to our channel.
Guys,
Right?
there's another red. See?
And give us a big thumbs up. Bye.
Big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell. Right?
Yep.
Yep.
About 10 left, huh? 10 or 15 of them.
Say bye,
Bye.
Mickey. Say bye.
Let's hit 1 million subscribers.
Geez, you really want me to buy a lot of those, huh?